Homework again? And I have no idea where to even start.
What if help was always just one tap away?
FamilyLearn.AI is your personal AI tutor, available 24/7 on any device in over 20 languages.
So whether I'm on my phone, tablet, or laptop, it's always there?
Exactly. Let me show you, starting with how it sets up your subjects.
But how does it know what subjects I have?
Just snap a photo of your class schedule. FamilyLearn.AI reads it and sets up all your subjects automatically.
My whole semester organized in seconds?
One scan and you're all set. The AI handles the rest.
Nice. Now I've got actual homework. A photo works for that too?
Snap a photo, paste a link, or just type it in. FamilyLearn.AI reads it instantly and organizes everything by subject.
Photos, links, type text, all in one chat?
Exactly. Send it any way you like. FamilyLearn.AI as the rest.
And if I'm stuck on a problem, can I just ask?
Ask anything. Step-by-step solutions, hints, or full explanations. Your AI tutor is always here.
It's like a tutor that never gets tired?
One that knows exactly where you're struggling and guides you forward from there.
And before my exam, can it check what I actually know?
It builds practice problems from your own materials, then tests if you really understand.
So I know I really learned it, not just memorized it?
Real understanding. Verified.
And my parents, can they see how I'm doing?
Parents get their own dashboard, progress, streaks, and activity for every child.
So she'll stop asking if I did my homework?
Everything transparently and safely.
Can I also listen to study audio while commuting, like a podcast?
Add any audio to a playlist. Lectures, voice notes, summaries, and study on the go. Every session earns Learn points.
Learn points? Like a game?
Every playlist you complete, every practice session, points stack up and your level grows. And here's the best part. Every win gets tracked.
Streaks, achievements, progress charts, it's all there?
Your journey, your growth, celebrated every step of the way.
Okay, I want this. Where do I get it?
Download FamilyLearn.AI free from the App Store or Google Play. Over 1,000 families are already learning smarter.
I'm in, starting today.
Start learning smarter today.